'07 Elite Extra. Autographs. What we got here? Autos. Jake Arrieta. Jason Hayward. Madison Bumgarner. Mike Moustakas. Todd Frazier. I thought Max Scherzer's in here. Should be. We'll find out. All right, spot 1. Jeff, good luck, man. Already got a hit. Rick Majerus, insert. Nothing great. Spot 1. Not signed. By the way, we got a 20. What is it? 24/50?
Yeah.
So the first spot is gone. It's for David. Now there's only 23 left. Here's spot 2 for Jeff. Commons. Spot number 3 for Manuel. Jeff Samardzija, Jenny Finch. Here's 4. Jeff again. Redemption. Ugh. Sorry, guys. The redemption is obviously no longer good. I don't even know who number 59 was. I'm not sure I want to know. But that's that. Expired about 10 years ago. Literally. Spot 5 for Jeff. Corey Luebke and Daquan Cook. Remember Daquan Cook? He was so popular in college. And he did nothing in the NBA. That's what I thought, Ron. Jeff again, spot 6. Let's get our first auto. Max Scherzer, base card. Nice. Little Scherzer rookie card action. Here's spot number 7 for Manuel. John Tolosano, autograph out of 100. No longer in the league. John Tolosano. Here's spot 8 for Jeff. Another insert of nobody. Dellin Betances. Here's spot 9. Jeff, good luck. Auto, come on, let's see. John Gilmore. No relation to Chris. He was a big prospect for the Braves, if you guys remember. Guys, we got a box break going. 2010 Bowman baseball. Free box break. Spend $50 at VintageBreaks.com. You get a free pack in that break. All right? 23 remain. We'll break it today. Will Middlebrooks. Remember him? Yep, spot 10. Commons. Kevin, spot 11. Another auto. Drew Stubbs. Is he in the major still?
I want to say yes, but
Here's one of the shorter prints in the set. That's spot 11. There's also a David Price in here. Spot 12 for Jeff. Good luck, Jeff. Got a jersey. Let's hope some. Oh, we didn't get a jersey. Steve Spurrier at a 1500. Here's spot 13 for Jeff. All commons. Here's spot 14 for Bob. Good luck, Bob. This is your free spot. Brett Cecil, Torian Green, Steven Souza, Vince Dooley, Matt Mangini. It's a pretty forgettable pack, but it was free, Bob. Manuel, spot 15. Zach Britton, Yankees. So here's spot 16 for Kevin. Oh, Clint, remember Clint Dozell?
Yeah.
He played actually my my wife's best friend was the what do you call it? The community relations director over in Vegas at their Arena Football League, and he was playing there. Met him once, nice guy. Long time ago. Oh, we got a gold out of 25. Is it an auto? No. Spot 17. Jeff, what we got here? Ben Revere. He used to play. He was a major league player for a while.
Outfielder.
Yeah, had a little horsey named Ben Revere. It's me and my horsey and a quart of beer. Oh, Joe Mauer retired? Knew that was going to happen.
Yeah.
Wow, it's crazy that Joe Mauer's retired.
Former MVP.
Yeah. Just short of the Hall of Fame, though. Although people do think he's a Hall of Famer, I don't see it. Jeff, more cards for you, more packs. Brandy Chastain. Remember Brandy Chastain? Spot 19 for Jeff. Got it. Oh, let's see. Drew Cumberland. Ugh. Drew Cumberland jersey. For Jeff. Yep, Jacob, they do have a team. Last pack in the box goes to Jeff again. Good luck, Jeff. Maybe it's an auto. Maybe it's a Scherzer. Last pack mojo, one never knows. No autos. Josh Donaldson. Raleigh Mazzamino. Okay. That's a free elite box break.